Have you ever planted something beautiful only to wake up and find it turned into a deer's midnight snack? Today, we're diving into the world of deer-resistant perennials perfect for Zone 5 gardens. Stick around because we've got some stunning plants that'll keep those pesky deer away and keep your garden thriving all season long. Deer are like nature's accidental vandals. They don't mean to cause trouble, but they sure know how to munch on our favorite plants. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 5 fabulous perennials that are not only beautiful, but also give deer a good reason to move on. First up, meet yarrow. This hardy beauty comes in vibrant colors like yellow, pink, and red. It's not just a feast for the eyes, but its strong fragrance and texture are a no-go for deer.
Plus, yarrow is super low maintenance, making it perfect for busy gardeners.
Just plant it in a sunny spot and watch it thrive. Next, we have salvia, also known as sage. Not only is it gorgeous with its tall spikes of blue, purple, or white flowers, but it's also a magnet for bees and butterflies, not deer. They find its aromatic leaves too strong to handle. Imagine enjoying a summer evening with these beauties swaying in the breeze. Perfect, right? Speaking of sage, let's talk about its cousin, Russian sage. This plant is a total stunner with its silvery leaves and lavender blue flowers. It's drought tolerant, loves the sun, and guess what? Deer steer clear of it. It's almost like having a natural fence around your garden. For those who prefer a touch of romance, bleeding hearts are a must-have. These plants are perfect for shaded areas, and their delicate, heart-shaped flowers add a whimsical touch to any garden. And as much as deer love a good meal, they don't fancy these little hearts. Your garden stays charming and deer-free. Last but not least, let's shine the spotlight on black-eyed Susans. With their cheerful, daisy-like flowers, they bring a burst of sunshine to any garden. These plants are tough, drought-resistant, and appealing to deer. They'll keep your garden glowing from summer to fall. There you have it. Yarrow, salvia, Russian sage, bleeding hearts, and black-eyed Susans, 5 fantastic choices to keep your Zone 5 garden looking amazing and deer-free. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these perennials are sure to add color, fragrance, and resilience to your garden. Thanks for joining me on this garden journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below about your favorite deer-resistant plants. Happy gardening and see you next time.